Snap, 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 snap. Alright, bro, chill now. Good.
Bro, you see y'all niggas, bro, we had a good, bro. I'm telling you, the reason why I'm pissed is because shit was not like this before shit got on the internet, bro.
I know.
That's why I'm pissed. If you really want to, you would have done that all free, man. You would have done that all free. You would have done that all free, bro. And then when I saw the wallet, I looked like the bad guy, bro. Alright. Alright. What if my mother, you was good the whole day, bro, until niggas got your head? You was. You know what made me upset? The internet, right? On your dick, right? The internet on your dick, bro. That's why, bro. I don't like that, bro. I don't like that, bro. I'm still not finished, though. Look. If you really had a problem with, bro, Davis, what am I dead? If you really had a problem with your room, you could have came to me and been like, yo, bro, I really got no what to say. I would have, you know what, bro? I would have heard you out and see what you did. I probably wouldn't even help you even find somewhere else to do that.
Damn. I'm speechless. I skipped most of this video because I didn't really want to watch a 53-minute video. But war has started. That's all I gotta say.
Run it back. You dragging it, bro. Run it back. Let's go. Next work that goes off. I'm telling you, bro. You know let's stop, bro. I don't give no fucks. Listen, I'll say this. That one was in the hallway. This shit, like, what do you gain from this?
Okay, y'all even now. Y'all even. I'll clean it up. Y'all even.
Yo, besides all this other shit that's going on, you still evading tax, my nigga. I seen that.
Oh my god.
Yo, it is the time.
These haven't started because of tax. The food tax. So this all started because of Phantom, supposedly.
Everybody spam 15.
I mean, you want to do this one? How you know this? I'm just asking.
Oh, that gotta be ass.
Bro, and it's right by my room, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, nigga, just
I'll clean it up. I'll just get them out.
Stop, bro. I'm good. Nigga, I told you, I'm only going to keep going. Look at my sweet cold.
How am I supposed to sleep here?
Yeah.
Bro, you gonna be taxing niggas extra, bro?
Yeah, bro.
I mean,
right now, my
taxing niggas extra, bro.
Whenever
Davis, you done now?
I feel good now. I can't let myself.
Even though you still got that one right there, though.
I still do. You're right.
You do still have.
You started throwing shit though.
And when I
Saying that's
Oh, okay, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna snap back. Agent, trust
We're good,
me,
bro.
I am cool.
Okay.
The only thing I'm doing, I'm matching energy. Notice, nothing went on today, bro. Notice that. Nothing went on today.
Yeah.
This nigga sees chat, he sees polls,
25.
he sees clips. After he do what he do, he goes on Twitter. After he goes on Twitter, he makes tweets. After that, niggas gas his dome. Bro, niggas gas you.
25.
And you don't even know how long. Why did you wait till a nigga went live?
fuck that, I'm gonna go further.
Cat.
And that's it.
You're
That's
you're sitting, you're his dome ski.
Alright. Hey, my fault. I ain't know.
See, now I took off the Balenci shirt and shit, put him in a
I
mask.
kept my shit on though.
Yo, my fault, chat. I'ma holla at y'all niggas, bro. Y'all niggas be safe. Saying, yo, you gotta get back. Davis, I was done for the 4th, but he made a whole tweet talking about some July 5th is gonna be crazier than July 4th.
Who said that? Oh, Davis?
Yes, nigga, wait till 2020.
What's that? A nigga said, where's Davis headed? The gas station or a hotel?
Yo, niggas is crazy.
Like, bro. You know some shit about the driveway.
Yo, you're a nasty nigga, dog. You're a nasty nigga.
What happened?
What I say? I don't know.
I go chase him.
Bro, I just got
Yo, you're a nasty nigga, dog. You're a nasty nigga. Good work. Facts.
Whoa, I was right.
Yeah, what's up?
Nah, your room was slow. Yeah,
Absolutely not.
I know.
Bro, they're talking about good work when y'all started blowing.
I know. Hey, Josh. I'm gonna remember that, bro. That's fucked up, gang. Hey, Josh, I'm gonna remember that, bro. That's fucked up, bro. I'm gonna remember that. That's my room, bro. I'm gonna remember that, gang. That's fucked up, gang.
Escalated it.
With me, though.
I going 1 for 1.
I don't even feel bad for anything else but the cleaners, bro. Like, them niggas really was on their hands and knees. What logo? Clean.
Left.
Boom!
What do you mean?
Can't do it today. Nigga waited on any excuse. On a good day, I didn't even mean that. This was mad smoky. Go clean my shit, nigga.
Damn, the end of AMP War. 13 hours ago. Sure. Okay then. So your team keeps doing MP War 2.
Niggas yelling around saying
MP House will never be the same. I need the order. Hold on. MP War begins. Now I watched that. So now we're on the second one, which is this one.
Your team keeps doing that. Hey man, shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Nigga, I was in your room! Get up! Yo, I'm gonna stop doing that shit, nigga. How you getting tight at me? How you getting tight at me? Your team has caused 5 fucking fires! Our team is putting them out, nigga. That's bad! Yo!
He said your team has started the fires.
Go! Oh, shit. Go! I ain't do that. Hey! Oh, go! Go! Hey, go! Pack it up.
You know what they should do? They should have on standby firefighters for the nonsense they are doing, trying to blow up this house. Also, you think they'll get another house? I don't think they will. Do they own the house? Because I remember last time they got kicked out because the owners seen what they were doing. So I think they own this one, right?
Hey, you gotta get real close.
Through the windows?
no, niggas gonna feel the pressure, bro. Wait, hold on. That's Kai down there. That's Davis right there.
Through the windows is crazy.
Get close.
Oh, fuck.
Get close.
There is on different timing. That's crazy. Getting on one knee is crazy, bro. Damn, they've gone and pushed Asian to the limit. This nigga on his... Damn. Imagine Davis popped out of there and fired back. Bro, that would be so fucking lit. But I don't think he would pop out. That shit's still shooting.
Hey, watch out when you... Keep it straight up. Yeah. Straight up.
That shit's still going. Hey, and team on demon time. Straight demon.
Hold on, I dropped my lighter. Yo, Kank, you mind getting my lighter? I left it over there. I gotta get back to the room.
A little bit right protected, please hold on. What agent doing? Damn.
I want him to struggle to use his balcony. I want him to struggle to leave his room. I want him to.
What are you doing? Oh, the garden. Where's Shaq at? Shaq, the garden. Shaq. Bye, Davis.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna hit you in the fucking face, nigga.
Oh, they're trying to...
I'm gonna hit you in the blow down.
Oh shit, that's crazy. Tell me why that shit look like a Harry Potter wand and he's like casting spells at the nigga.
Goodbye, Darth Vader.
Damn, what the fuck is
He's right here.
Take that outside. Hold on. Don't do that one inside, bro.
Oh shit. He gonna sneak around?
Hey, you don't have any beef with me, right? Not with all right.
You gonna sneak attack him?
You know what? I'm with Jake at. Bring Jake.
There's still fireworks in there. Hey,
Where's Jake at?
there's still fireworks in there.
And where?
In his room.
He left him there?
Yes.
Cap. Bro, Cap, you left fireworks in there. Who? You.
In the bathroom. There's nothing in there. You can't open it. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here, Gary.
Oh, you're empty? That's empty. Alright, say less. Yo, where Jake at?
It's all in the bathroom.
So everybody move their
Where
shit
Jake
up.
at?
What?
I feel like they set it up so that you take out your valuable shit and then it's straight war.
You know where Jake is?
I still gotta watch Kai's part 2. What happened?
Okay, good.
Where's Jake?
He ain't up there. I saw him.
Yo, Jake!
You good?
Alright, I need you to follow me.
I need you to follow me. Where they going? They got a straight firefighter team on standby, like I said. Oh, damn, where'd all those niggas come from?
Cool. Do you go and touch the garden? Yo, give me 2 grenades! I need 2 grenades! Run me 2 grenades!
2 grenades? Oh, nah. It's straight war, my nigga. That's crazy.
Huh?
Yo, come over here with the fire.
They got carpet, huh? That's tough. Damn.
Space. Back up.
I thought they took their shit out. They gonna need to rebuy their shit. Also, that room mad messy.
Good. Jake!
Who this?
Bro, where is Jake? Bro, we need this nigga, bro! I need fire? I got fire.
You got fire station.
Okay, you got that?
He need the grenades, bro. He said 2 grenades.
Hey, call for Jake, though. You got grenades? What do you have on you? I got grenades. Okay, boom. Alright, back up. Let me get Jake, too.
Didn't he say now to light that one inside?
Hey. I'm still here.
Damn, that nigga really gone.
We're good.
Say hello to my little friend.
Fuck this nigga room.
Yeah.
God, oh my God. This ain't got no more.
Stop on.
They did say now to do that one inside.
Good?
Also, there's a big ass forest behind their house. So, yeah.
Alright, hold on. Let me get Jake.
Yeah.
Not the big red boots. What if he aimed at his PC and just let it go?
Hold on. Hey, y'all niggas are full. I tried, bro. I tried, man. I really fucking tried, bro. I tried, bro.
Oh, he said he going crazy now?
Niggas not gonna stop until it blows down.
Bro, you just blew my garden twice. Niggas tight. I hit his room. You blew my garden. I don't know what. No crying. No crying. No crying. You blew my garden twice. Still good. Jake, fire!
At least we got a fight, bro.
Over there. Hey, David. Hey, do you realize the difference in the strategy yet? Do you realize the difference in the strategy? Your team is dumb. Your team keeps doing that.
Hey, man, shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Oh, shit! Nigga, I was in your room! Get up!
I'm gonna stop stop doing that shit, nigga. How you getting tight at me? How you getting tight at me? Your team has caused 5 fucking fires. Our team is putting them out, nigga. Your team is the one causing them.
Full of dumbasses, nigga. Stop making fire.
Bro, first of all, don't hit me. First of all, that's gonna escalate shit. That's what, yo, bro.
Yo, you've done it. Yo.
Okay. Hey. Bro, y'all follow me. This nigga's trying to put things on me. This nigga has 20 people at the house.
Yep. Oh! He pulled.
That's not even one you care about.
Things out the.
It's not even one you care about.
I know, just make it look like it is. I don't want him to try and get back. Nigga think he's slick. You don't know shit. The first thing
Agent smart.
about planes. This nigga's crying and complaining.
So I threw a fire.
This nigga is crying and complaining right now.
What are we doing next?
He is escalating war. When I respond, he cries and complains, nigga. Every time you try and up it, I'm responding with more force. It is as simple as that. Because that's the energy that you've been having this entire time. It is as simple as that. So you can sit there and cry about it if you want to. Get in.
Damn.
You can try and blow it. He been fucking pump faking that shit for an hour. David, take a seat. Now look.
Yeah, you gotta cross that gauge. See, this feels heavy.
Where's my... Oh. Now look. You won a war. Right or wrong?
Yeah, they're sitting at the decision table.
How you feel right now?
When all the countries are done with war and trying to blow up Earth.
No.
I feel good. I had a good time. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's like when niggas have wars, right? The United States versus whoever. I could be wrong.
Yo, but, Jake here. Jake, do you mind throwing me a vitamin water or like a Voss water? Something in the fridge. Energy, ghost energy, something? Thank you.
Look. niggas gonna get tight of me. Niggas gonna call me pussy regardless because... No, I'm talking about chat. Because, look, fuck what anybody in chat has to say about me being pussy. Y'all niggas think I'm trying to throw a rock and then hide my hand. That's not the case. I'm saying I'm for anything. Let's not ruin the house.
I agree.
So my problem is I don't think that... I told my team, I said, yo, no fireworks in the house. And I said, if you do throw a firework in the house, if we shoot something, don't shoot a fucking setup you cannot afford. Now, if you come in my room and look, I'm not bitching. Once again, I'm all for the war, but I'm saying, bruv, there's a fire back there. There's a fire on the couch. Waleed threw a bomb on top of my head. Do we have the footage?
It literally...
My head was smoking.
It was out of feet.
I haven't shot none of y'all mans.
Wait,
was it at the feet or head? I just want to know.
My head.
One of them was at our feet.
And then another one, my head was on fire. My hair was on fire.
His hair caught on fire.
Come on. It's on footage. So I'm simply saying, yo, we at war. But at the end of the day, you my brother still. I'm not trying to fuck up the house. I'm not trying to fuck up your setup. Even though you can get 10 more, I'm not trying to fuck it up. I'm not trying to fuck up the carpet. I'm not trying to fuck up the podcast room.
We're going to see how big ego and pride has to do with this right here.
Okay, look. Let's keep it a stack, bro.
Wow, keep it a stack, bro.
He walking away from the table. Alright, as a man, he walking away from the table. As a man, he's gonna take that L. Cause just make sense.
It just makes sense.
You lost this year, bro.
That's a big fat.
You lost, bro.
0-1.
I don't care. Just say you lost. Agent took over.
And apologize. Say, yo, daddy agent, I'm sorry for losing. How did I lose, though?
Bro, he literally ran. Bro, I watched the whole shit from beginning to end.
You're right.
He ran through your room.
I'm gonna be considered though.
And violated.
Oh, we going cheers? We going cheers in his room. You going to have to
trying to escalate it though, but you're right. He did come to my room. He did blow up. So I should do the same thing, right? Is what you're saying? Okay.
See, the problem with that logic is that you blew in my room many times before I had responded.
But I never threw something large that could cause a problem.
So, what's up? What we doing? What we doing? Show me you gangster, nigga. Show me you fucking gangster. Come on.
Hey, shit, I really just want to let y'all boys know, like, as long as don't nobody, like, fuck with my property. All y'all really safe with me. All y'all safe with me, man. Davis, bro. Fuck this nigga, man. Blow that bitch down.
Hell no.
Hey, look, I'm keeping it 100. If you walk away, and I'm not trying to instigate. I'm not trying to instigate. I'm putting like
I don't.
I'm putting what's on the table. If you walk away, he won.
He won.
And you gotta wait till what?
Next year.
You was a bitch if you wait till next year.
Look.
2024.
You can't get back tomorrow because it's July 5th, bro.
Look.
Hey, but look though, good dub, bro.
Okay,
good dub, bro.
Good dub, my nigga. Good shit. You killed that nigga.
Now look, we will get a chance to see whether or not Davis was being sincere about what he said, or whether or not he's gonna let ego and pride take part in his decision.
Oh, stop talking like that.
Nigga like me with a bitch balked it.
If Davis believes what he said about safety and things of that nature, he wouldn't do it. But if he is going to let niggas antagonize him, then that's okay with me. We will simply respond.
By any means possible, gang.
I don't think it's about...
Just like when a nigga starts a war, and they want to end the war, but the other team not done until they get their due back. They get their payments, them reparations. Hopefully it's reparations. Hopefully I don't sound dumb as fuck right now.
About letting people antagonize me, I think it's showing the same energy that you showed to me.
Really? Because like most of them just called you a bitch to your face.
Nah, it's one thing. Nah, it's one thing if you don't understand what the fuck going on. But look, the army boost. And look, it's one thing if it's like, it's one thing if you just popped up tight shit today and shit and did what you did. Bro, it's the build up. The energy you was putting out. Yeah, you put a lot of the fireworks you let off in this room for him to spin back on your shit. Like your PC's finished.
A nigga like me watching this and saying, wow, this nigga's a bitch. I thought he was hard. You know what I'm saying?
I think they, and just me personally.
Good.
I don't.
Damn. Trying to stop the AMP cannon event. I'm gonna watch a little bit.
Hold on.
Adam stand.
3,000 right here. This middle row right here with all these mortars alone is like 3,000, 2,500. I don't know about all these ones, but I was buying these ones here, so I know how much they go. What the fuck? That's his chair? Okay, that's kind of calm.
That is clean as fuck.
Who's view buying me?
What you mean? What happened? Kai, Davis, what happened? Why? You're not gonna bring it back. I don't even know if I can.
Give me a lighter!
Why?
Give me a lighter!
Okay, wait. Let's talk about it. I don't have one. Davis, hold on. Take a breath. Wait. What's wrong? Yo. Okay, chill. I don't have a fucking lighter. You're not blowing that up, Davis. Don't steal my hat.
Give me a lighter, nigga.
Oh, chill. You're not blowing that up. Davis, right? Okay. He will.
I eat fruit snacks. Fuck you.
So you went there for fruit snacks mid-war?
Yes. Let me listen.
You wanted, okay.
Let me listen.
All right, Yo, Davis, look like for you, okay?
I don't.
You was whipping him with a belt the entire time.
Yeah, I was whipping that nigga, yeah. And now he's gonna taunt me with having my flamethrower. Why?
Question.
If a nigga try me.
Nigga, that's not
what
defense.
I'm saying.
If that's defense.
That's not defense. That's straight attack.
Nigga try me.
Hey, at the end of the day, on a genuine note,
hold on. Before you talk, just take my flicks.
I got you.
You gonna take the flick?
Yeah, he asked me to.
Come on,
You want me to take it?
to.
You want me to take it?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm just
Are you serious, AJ?
Okay,
Do not take his flick.
Just boom.
Are you seriously? You took it. Didn't you?
Okay. Oh, you moved. You got to do it again.
Ain't
that's
no
a tough
way.
one. Stay right there.
Mid-war.
I'm gonna grab the flick. You want me to like link? I just link it in the Discord if you want.
Okay, yeah, link it in the Discord. Yeah. Call Davis back though.
I think Chris walked in the room.
Hey.
I played with the fire shit the whole time this week, and because now I gotta defend myself. These will not be lit. Look.
Okay, Kai.
Chris is not listening,
If that's
bro.
defense, buying a sniper rifle for your house is defense. Nigga,
Okay,
you're not defending yourself with that. That is offense.
Bro, AJ,
I have a question for
Best
everybody.
defense is offense. So,
Come
hey.
on. I got a question for everybody in the house. Everyone in everyone's
actually
chat.
fucking stupid.
If your little brother was playing with fire, would you not take away the fire from him?
I'm not your little brother though. I'm
Yes,
not
you
your
are,
little
little
brother.
bro.
So what you talking about?
If your
Niggas
little
is
brother
not
was
your
playing
little
with
bro.
fire downstairs, are you taking it away?
Bro, look, Davis, here's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say this one time and one time only, bro. Listen to me, bro. I got nothing else to say but this. One, there is no problems. Two, I swear to God on everything I love, if somebody comes down to these theaters and talks a firework anywhere where this staircase is to antagonize me or bother me or upset me, I am going to light every look, I got some more back here too, like every single one of these back here will be lit. On my soul, all these shits will get lit. I'm telling you right now, bro. All of these. If you don't bother me, hold on, look. If you don't bother me, nothing would happen. I want to have the hoes here. I want to drink alcohol. I want to just be chilling July 4th. Hooray, America. That's what I want to do.
You're not American, buddy.
Like,
but look, okay, listen.
You see what I'm saying?
Look, we good. I already listened. You hit me with the belt. I pushed you in your setup, made you end it. I'm good. We can end it on that note. I don't got no problems.
Okay, so end it, and then once you get like more fireworks, if you are, don't go live. Don't go like, yo guys, look what I'm doing. It's up. Get back, gang. It's up. Don't do none of that. Bro.
I'm not doing that no more. As long as
you guys, since I've been here, You guys haven't even known I had all of this. Please stop recording your every move for your future purposes, because all your ops will be able to know what you're doing and what you got.
You're not an op, buddy. You're not an op worth noticing.
I'm not an op. I'm not an op.
You're not an op worth noticing one. And the second thing I'm gonna say is I'm fine with this. It was on IG. Like, you're not gonna find it.
No. You deleted it?
Yeah, never.
No, Davis. Can you break down this tweet over here? Where you say,
we moved on the war.
Yeah, nigga hit me with a belt on everything. I'm blowing up that nigga's room now.
Okay.
So basically,
didn't go wrong that day. Last year, and Duke was the same nigga.
Shit.
I just take.
I get good, nigga. No. Okay.
I don't give a fuck.
Man, that music
happens.
Yeah. I should just give back. Crazy with the fireworks. Like, we'll just go the extra mile. Duke, safe. You be safe too.
Bandwagon?
Yeah. I'm just saying. We're not gonna do that. But we.
EP award and nigga was.
This tweet here that says proof this nigga's not built like that is up when I re-up with fireworks. When's that?
I'm not re-upping no more because I already took his shit and yeah.
Okay, just making sure. A triple team?
Why you got, bruh? Why? I was gonna be like, why the fuck you giving a chair and a belt, and then he just throws a chair? What the fuck?
Great.
Bro, what the fuck? Okay then.
Zero sugar.
But yeah, like, subscribe, see you guys later. Hope you have a good day or night. And by that's part 2, I guess. Part 2 and some.